Hello kids, welcome to Goria Kids channel. Today we read fruits name in Hindi and English. So let's start the video. Pomegranate in Hindi अनार. Banana in Hindi केला. Apple in Hindi सेब. Mango in Hindi आम. Strawberry in Hindi strawberry. Papaya in Hindi papita. Pineapple in Hindi ananas. Watermelon in Hindi तरबूज. Grapes in Hindi अंगूर. Fig in Hindi अंजीर. Raspberry in Hindi रसभरी. Lychee in Hindi लीची. Indian blackberry in Hindi जामुन. सपोटा in Hindi चीकू. Cherry in Hindi चेरी. Avocado in Hindi avocado. Coconut in Hindi नारियल. Orange in Hindi संतरा. Star fruit in Hindi कमरख. Dragon fruit in Hindi dragon fruit. Kiwi in Hindi kiwi. Blueberry in Hindi नीलबद्री. Guava in Hindi अमरूद. Custard apple in Hindi सीताफल. Apricot in Hindi खुबानी. Pear in Hindi नाशपाती. Jackfruit in Hindi कटहल. Mulberry in Hindi शहतूत. Sugarcane in Hindi गन्ना. Muskmelon in Hindi खरबूजा. Plum in Hindi आलू बुखारा. Sweet lime in Hindi मौसम्बी. Raw dates in Hindi कच्चे खजूर. Peach in Hindi आड़ू. Wood apple in Hindi बेल. Persimmon in Hindi तेंदूफल. Mangosteen in Hindi mangosteen. Passion fruit in Hindi कृष्णा फल. Cape gooseberry in Hindi रसभरी. Thank you kids for watching fruits name video. If you like video then please subscribe Goria Kids channel.